The wait is over. Dick and Joe are back with more Fixer Upper. I love you.
You ready to do this? Let's do it. You slayed it.
Whoa!
You killed it.
This is amazing.
Yes!
Fixer Upper. Tuesday night at 9, only on HGTV.
Brought to you by Nationwide Vision, caring for Arizona's eyes for over 30 years.